Umphakathi waseMahikeng eNorthwest uthi uma kuthengiswa lezi zindlu ze-SABC kufanele uhlelo lokwenza lokhu luvuleleke nakuwo futhi kuqalwe ngawo njengoba lezi zindlu zisendaweni yawo.
We need recognition, we need order, we need accountability. We are the residents of Mahikeng. We are not failing to purchase anything that has been disposed of, which is in Mahikeng. We need to be given first preference. We need to be taken on board as citizens of Mahikeng. The rest of the country, we cannot go on like this without any kind of accountability from our government.
Unobhala weSANQU esifundazweni uKhumalo Mlifo uthi bonke abantu abafuna ukweba beza eMahikeng.
There have been employees of the SABC staying here, right? They are removed, they are not given first preference. Number two, let us be lawful. The PFMA is very clear. Before you dispose of a public property, there must be public participation. It's not your property. It's our property. You must consult us. Now we are here to be consulted. We are waiting for the SABC. When we move here, we are going to the SABC building. We demand to be consulted.
Bashaya phansi ngonyawo bathi angeke zidayiswe lezi ndlu.
This building is going nowhere.
Izolo okhulumela i-SABC uthi i-SABC izoqhubeka nokudayisa lezi zakhiwo.